So guys, today we are going to Little Elm, right next to a splash pad right now, and we are going to show you guys so much fun.
We are gonna maybe make some new friends, or we're gonna see our old friends here. And it's our first time showing you guys. So we're really excited.
Hey guys, so the name of this park is McCord Park. My favorite part about this is when the big thing gets dumped, then you go down the slide, and it's just showering water on you.
My favorite part is the slide because it's playful and fast. That's what I like about it. Can I do it to me again?
This is a life-changing moment, people. We can show you how much fun it is. Let's get to it. Okay, so this is the proud of you mama time. I'm proud of my sister because she's encouraging, strong, and brave.
I'm proud of him for wanting a YouTube channel, and he is so brave and wanting. He's brave, he's strong, he can do what he wants. He like rules the world. So I'm proud of him for that.
I hope you guys had so much fun with this. On the court part, I rate it 8 out of 10.